Bringing soil back to life is one of the most rewarding things you can do as a gardener. Healthy soil means stronger plants, better yields, and a thriving ecosystem underground. But many well-intentioned gardeners unknowingly make mistakes that slow down or even reverse their soil's recovery. If you're working hard to rejuvenate your garden but not seeing the results you hoped for, you might be making one of these common mistakes. Let's dive into the top 7 soil revival mistakes you must avoid to ensure your garden flourishes and explore unique ways to restore soil health. 1. Tilling too much and too often. Tilling seems like a natural first step when trying to improve soil, but excessive tilling does more harm than good. While it may initially loosen compacted soil, over time, it disrupts the delicate soil structure and destroys beneficial microbial life. 2. Ignoring soil testing. Reviving soil without testing it first is like trying to fix a car without diagnosing the problem. Many gardeners add amendments randomly, hoping they'll help, but without a soil test, you have no idea what your soil truly needs. Overloading soil with synthetic fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers may provide a quick nutrient boost, but they don't improve soil structure or long-term fertility. Many gardeners make the mistake of relying on synthetic fertilizers without adding organic matter, leading to soil degradation over time. Letting soil stay bare. Exposed soil is one of the fastest ways to lose organic matter and destroy soil health. When left uncovered, soil is vulnerable to erosion, compaction, and nutrient depletion from sun, wind, and heavy rains. Neglecting organic matter. Soil revival is impossible without organic matter. Many gardeners focus on adding fertilizers but forget that organic matter is what truly builds long-term soil health. Overwatering or underwatering. Watering issues are a major factor in poor soil health. Overwatering depletes oxygen in the soil, leading to anaerobic conditions that kill beneficial microbes and promote root rot. Ignoring soil microbial life. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's alive with bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and earthworms, all working together to break down organic matter and create nutrient-rich humus. Final thoughts. Reviving soil the right way. Avoiding these 7 common mistakes will set you on the path to vibrant living soil that supports healthy plants and bountiful harvests. The key to successful soil revival is patience and consistency. By reducing tilling, testing your soil, embracing organic matter, protecting the soil surface, and nurturing microbial life, you'll create a garden that thrives for years to come. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven on YouTube for more expert gardening tips. Share this with fellow gardeners so they too can avoid these common soil revival mistakes and grow healthier, more productive gardens.